Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, we got a fun one today. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me for brunch. I'm showing you guys my makeup, my morning routine, my outfit, and then you guys get to come to brunch with me. I apologize if my voice sounds like this. I'm so sorry. This is genuinely off the wake up. Like, I'm just waking up. I turned my camera on. That's the first thing I did today. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jordyn. If you guys aren't new, hey y'all. All right, now that the introduction out the way, let's get the day started. I'm about to do my skin routine now, but I genuinely want to make a whole video on my skin routine and like how it's changed over the years. I literally used to have acne that looked like this. My dermatologist, my sister's an esthetician, like they've completely changed my skin. So I wanted to show you guys that like maybe in depth, but like and explain everything and why like I use it. But for now, it's gonna be a sped up clip, but I definitely, you know, want to make my own like skincare video. So stay tuned for that.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it. You're a starlight.
Alright, y'all. I use this sunscreen every single day. Do not be scared when I put this on. I know it's gonna give me a white cast. I know it is. Just trust the process, okay? Just trust the process.
I don't get it. You're a starlight. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I never make you feel like that. I love being up for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Cannot take love.
Okay, next up is makeup. Just a quick disclaimer. In no way do I feel like I'm a makeup artist of any kind, like some professional type of makeup artist. I really just, you know, I'm still learning too, you know. Please don't attack me in the comments if my eyebrow is crooked or leaning to the left, because it's gonna be doing that. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, my eyebrow will be leaning to the left. You know how they be like, eyebrows are sisters, not cousins, whatever, or cousins, not sisters, whatever. My eyebrows don't even know each other. My eyebrows are strangers. So just don't even pay that no mind, okay? Okay guys, makeup is all done and now we're gonna move on to hair. So like I have this ponytail attached and I'm literally just going to wrap, I have this 30-inch ponytail. I'm literally just gonna wrap this ponytail around my ponytail that I have in the back of my head and just keep it pushing. That's all we got for hair today. That's all we got. All right, y'all, ponytail is on. I did this, like, I slicked down my hair like super quick last night just because like I was like, okay, I have brunch tomorrow, so I have to get it together. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror because you know when you do your makeup, you do your hair, whatever, it's like, do I even like it? I don't even know if I like it today. And of course today will be the day that's ugly, the day that I'm filming. Now I'm gonna get dressed, y'all, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm running late. I'm in here lollygagging. My boyfriend's on the way. I'm running late, so I'm just gonna go ahead, get dressed, and I'll take you guys to brunch with me. Okay guys, I am dressed and ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit in this mirror and like in the bathroom, like a full body mirror, because I don't have like a full body mirror with like a cute background, you know what I mean? I actually wore this dress before. I'll put a picture up if I have it. I wore this before. It's on my IG, so it's cute. I just need to do finishing touches and then I'll be ready to go. We drunk, got drunk. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and follow me on all of my socials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!